How to fix Arc Raiders Reconnect loop in GeForce Now problem. To do this, open Steam. After opening Steam, click Steam in the top right and open Settings. After opening Settings, click Family and then Create or Join a Steam family. After doing this, click Create a Family and set a family name. After setting the name, click Create and Proceed. The next thing we need to do is click Account Details on the left and scroll down. Here, click Manage Family View and then Only Games I Choose. Click Next and without selecting any games, click Next again. Click Next and set a PIN for Family View. After setting the PIN, enter the code sent to your email. The next thing we need to do is open GeForce Now and launch the game. Click Close, then click Exit Family View from the top. Enter the PIN and exit Family View. After that, right-click the game and open Properties. Click Installed Files and verify the game files. After verifying the game files, you can check whether the Arc Raiders Reconnect loop in GeForce Now problem is solved or not.